Hi friends, today my video is for starting users, for new users who want to use PA setups at home, at usual home conditions. First of all, I tell you that I am not professional. But I use different audio in different conditions, and some things I know, but I am not professional. So all my recommendation, they are for usual user. They are not for professionals. If you think that you are professional, if you want to say something real, what we need to know, of course you can write in comments. But if you want to show you knowledge, just oh no, don't do this, oh this is and not something like that, please don't watch my do not watch my video. For usual starting users, so we have, for example, active studio monitor Lani CP10, and how to use it, because in phone or we have usual jack output, for example, for music, and how to put phone play here. First of all, you need such connector. Put here, then put your jack. Your wire could be from both sides as this one. Then one side goes here, the other side goes to the phone. But I haven't such wire, I have such wire. What to do then? Then it will be so, you see, here it comes so, oops, then so, then it comes so, and from other side I have phone 3.5 millimeters mini jack for use in home conditions, music from phone. But it will be better if you take this one and make some good isolation. So next, how to use professional speakers with usual amps, because professional connectors have speak-on terminals. But how I put this speak-on terminal to the usual amplifier? Now see, from speak-on terminal comes usual wire. You can my English is not so perfect. Sometimes some words I forget, but I will try. You just I remember now, yeah. So from one side you have such connector, from other side you cut this connector and you have usual wire, and then you can put it here. So you can use this speaker with usual amp. But what to do if you have professional amps and you have usual speakers? What to do then? Let's look. If you have, for example, speak-on terminals and usual speakers, then you make the same thing. Wait a moment, it's rather difficult by one hand. So you put this terminal, and you see you have from the other side usual two wires connection, no problem. So what about inputs? There are different inputs in professional amplifiers, and what to do? One of them is such. Then you put same connectors as was there, and here you put this usual wire, and from other side you have phone connector, or you can buy wire which have from other side the same wire. Then you can put CD, TV or something else. But But you know, by one hand it's not so easy. What to do if you haven't these connectors and you have only these connectors? When you need a special wire, I will show you. And you see, this wire have such connectors, and from other side is usual as aux connectors. No problem, you can put phone, CD or something else. What to do if we have outputs for speakers this mode? Not speak on, you see, speak on is so, but here output for speakers is this one. What to do? It's not suitable for here. Then what I've done, I buy such wire for microphone, and you see, put here, and from other side you have usual aux wire. Where is my second one? Wait a moment, I'll show you. So put the left and right channels, and what to do now? Now we take usual as aux wire, put here. Oh, it's difficult by one hand, and I cut this wire from other side. You see, I cut this wire from other side, and I have usual wire, plus and minus, black and red. So I can use it with usual speakers. But you must understand one thing, that professional amplifier from usual input works not at full power. Professional amplifiers needs input voltage is about 1 volt. But you know, I tell you by usual words, because there are play role also impedance and some other things. But for usual user, you do not need this to understand. I tell you by easy words. From phone you get voltage about 100-150 millivolts. From CD player you have usually 250 millivolts. From TV it is different. From some models, for example, as old Grundig is about 400 or 500 millivolts. From some Samsungs it's about 200-250 millivolts. But amplifiers show it full power at 1 volt. So from usual input, this amplifier plays not at full power. It plays about 6 or 10 times smaller power. So, but this small power from this professional amp in usual home conditions is enough. So if from usual input you put here maximum power, then you do not get full power of this amplifier. It plays then it plays as usual home amplifier. This power is enough for usual use, but not enough for real disco. If you want to get full power from professional amp, you need to have a mixer pult, or you need to have some other amplifier with pre-out. And pre-out not for subwoofer, but pre-out for usual speakers. In my next video I use for pre-out old vintage Pioneer, usual Pioneer amplifier. And there I have 2 pre-outs for using with more powerful amplifier. So you can use for full power, you can use some usual amplifier with pre-out for speakers, or you can use for example some China amplifiers, for example some 4C Audio, who have output from behind, and there are right pre-out for 3.5 mm mini jack. So at this China amp for in pre-out it goes so, and from this side by these wires you get it to your professional amp. Then you will have maybe full power. Why maybe? Because I'm not 100% sure what voltage they give out. But anyway, you have more power from this amp than you have it if you connect your music input straight. So, want to use as usual amp, you can put your CD phone or TV straight to this powerful amp. But if you want this powerful amp to use at its full power, you need pre-amplifier with pre-outs. But what to do if you have from phone from TV, for example, optical output. I show you. For example, you have. Wait a moment. I have something here, but where is it? Okay, it's something there. Okay, you have from TV HDMI out, or you have optical out. What to do then? No problem, but in this way you must to buy converter, which makes from digital signal to usual analog signal. It's some small box, about as ticket box, maybe a little bit more, and it make from digital signal from HDMI or optical wire. It makes usual 2 wires analog signal. Sorry for my English, it is not very good, but I think that maybe my video helps you to use PR systems in home conditions. One more thing I forget, sorry. And you know, if you are using pre-out anyway, even you use just straight this amp, always start from minimum power. Always start from minimum power, as you never know the real output voltage. Always start from minimum and then turn this power button to hear how powerful it plays. Okay, so if my video was helpful and you like it, then don't forget to put like, subscribe, and we will see much more. But in my next videos we will see how these professional speakers plays on the street at distance about 100-150 meters from professional amplifier and from usual phone. Okay, hope see you in my next video. Bye bye.